morning, lovely, amazing, wonderful people. I hope you guys are catching cruise because me, I am catching cruise. So let's catch the cruise together. In case you're new to this channel, my name is Ujunwa. I'm a new YouTuber based in Nigeria, Owerri to be precise. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys my DIY face mask. My everyday DIY face mask. It's actually made easy. So let's catch cruise together, guys. I have my grater, tomatoes, my vitamin E. I prefer this. I love this pink vitamin E oil and toothpaste, my Colgate. So what we're going to be doing first is to grate the tomatoes. I like using this part. And let it sit for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Spots. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. So if you find this helpful, leave a comment in the comment section. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. You're very